Hello out there. My name is Lindsay, and this is a brief tutorial about the Modality Body app available for the iPad. This is an app that allows users to store and reference thousands of customized medical images for professional reference, training, and patient education. In this video, I'll show you how to access the app from the App Store, how to download and register for the app, and how to use the app. I'll also highlight some of the ways you might want to use this app as a health science student or professional. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is access the App Store from the home screen of your iPad by clicking on the blue App Store icon. Once you're in the App Store, head to the top right corner and find the search bar. This has a small magnifying glass and the words Search Store on it. In order to find the Modality Body app, type the words Netter Anatomy into the search bar. Although this may seem strange at first, the Modality Body app is actually a collection of images from the famous anatomical artist and physician Frank Netter. The search results will bring up a variety of apps available, but we only need the Modality Body app right now. This is a free app with many basic functions, and as we'll see later, there is also an option to purchase more information. For now, we'll just download the basic app. If you click on the icon that says free, it will change to an icon that now says Install App. Go ahead and click the Install App icon to install the Modality Body app. After clicking the Install App icon, you will be prompted to enter your Apple ID and password, and a keyboard should automatically come up. Go ahead and enter your information now. After the app has been downloaded, you will be taken back to your search results. The icon that once said free now says open because the app has been successfully downloaded to your iPad. Simply click the open icon to begin accessing the Modality Body app. Alternatively, you can go back to the home screen and access the Modality Body app by clicking directly on its icon, shown here. Once inside the Modality Body app, you will be automatically taken to the Modality Body store and will be required to register. This doesn't cost any money, it simply sets up a user account. Click on the orange Register button at the bottom of the screen to proceed. On the registration page, enter in all of the information required and read and then agree to the privacy policy. Once you've entered your personal information, click the orange Submit button at the bottom of the page. In order to fully activate the Modality Body app, you will have to access a confirmation link sent to the email address you just entered. If you try to click the Login button without accessing the confirmation link, an error screen like this will appear. To remedy the situation, simply log in to the email account you provided and click here to activate your Modality Body account. You can then click Return to App and begin using Modality Body. Back at the Modality Body store, click Enter Store to begin accessing information and images to use in this app. To be able to use the Modality Body app and its various functions, collections of images must be downloaded first. There are a variety of high-quality technical images and artist renderings available, often for a very high price. However, there are a few free image collections that will still give the student and the professional a high-tech glimpse of the human body. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, there will be an item called Atlas of Anatomy Sampler. As you can see, this is a free image collection. To download the data contained in the Anatomy Sampler, simply click the free icon and allow the item to download. When the download is finished, the anatomy sampler will appear in the Volumes section of your library. To begin using the images in the sampler and explore everything the Modality Body app can do, simply click the Atlas of Anatomy Sampler icon. All of the images in the Anatomy Sampler are cataloged for easy reference, and these figure numbers correspond to identical figure and page numbers found in Netter's hard copy Anatomy Atlas. Right away, we can see that the Modality Body app prevents the lugging and toting around of heavy texts. And in a few minutes, we'll see what the Modality Body app can do that no textbook can. To really start using this app, all you need to do is select an image. For this demonstration, scroll down to Figure 12.1, Organ Layers and Quadrants, and click on the image icon. When you do so, this is the image you will see. You'll also notice that the image has pins in various locations, identifying specific organs. If you click on the pin in the top left corner, you'll see that the name of the organ is displayed. Clicking on other pins also reveals the name of each organ. Back at the image's home screen, you'll notice a practice icon in the top right corner. If you tap on this icon, you'll be asked to find specific organs denoted by the pins on the image. In this example, we're asked to find the liver. If we click the appropriate pin, we get a green check mark. The same is true when we are asked to find the stomach. If you get an answer wrong, you will receive a red X rather than a green check. I got this one wrong because I was asked to find the transverse colon and I identified the small intestine. No worries though. If you click the appropriate pin, you'll get a correct answer again. Note that these answers are not graded by an internal system. Rather, they are just provided for your reference. Another feature of the Modality Body app is the Labels function, located in the bottom left corner. If you click this icon, you'll be able to see a list of all the organs or structures identified in the image. If you go to the bottom right corner, you'll see an icon labeled Index. If you click this icon, you'll be taken to an entire catalog of labels, images, and corresponding pages. You can access additional images in both free and paid-for image collections, and use them for test prep as a student, a teaching tool for colleagues and trainees, an educational aid for patients, and even as a professional reference for medical procedures. As you click each pin in a normal view, you'll notice that a blue eye appears next to the structure's name. If you click this eye, you'll be taken to a pop-up window with additional features. If you click on the search icon, you have the option of searching Google, Wikipedia, or PubMed with the name of the structure indicated. In this case, we would be searching for the common hepatic artery. If we click to search on PubMed, we'll be taken to a listing of journal articles with those search terms as keywords. So not only can you practice all the tried and true human anatomy with the Modality Body app, but you can also scour the most up-to-date literature and glean new medical insights. To access more rendered image collections, real-life imaging catalogs, and even flashcards for extra practice, head back to the Modality Body store and explore all the possibilities. Thanks for watching!